All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Dallas Dominguez,
Leopard.
and today we're going to demonstrate our project we've been working on very diligently for the past couple of days. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so we built a web server capable of intaking sensor data. Let's first initialize our database where we store all our sensor data. And then we're going to also launch our server. And once that's up, we can come over here, refresh the page, and this is our home page right here. So we mapped a couple interesting buttons, the most important one being this button right here, which collects data. So this is going to talk to our computer right here, our tiny computer, the Raspberry Pi 4, which has an ultrasonic sensor and a photoresistor built into it, or built on our circuit board. So when we click this button on the page, collect data, it actually is going to send a signal to this computer to collect 10 seconds worth of data and then display it in a table on our page through JavaScript. So I'm going to hold this up. We mapped a little LED to indicate when we're collecting data. So if you can see this, turn this a little bit. And right when I press the collect data button, it lights up. And it's going to stay that way for 10 seconds. So we're going to take 10 samples of each of the sensors right here. And once it's done, it's going to dynamically inject all the data that we collected into a table and then push that into our web page. So we're pretty proud of the progress we made on this. We think we did some excellent work with that. And Leo now is going to go ahead and explain our drop-down menus, which are additional features we added to the page.
So for our drop-down menus, for our queries, we selected sensor info, which is the specific type of sensors that we're going to select. Raw readings being the readings of the photoregister, voltage being the voltage of the LED, and the distance measured being the distance an object is from the ultrasonic sensor. So select one of them, please, and then please click submit, and then it'll just show over 10 seconds all of the photoregister values that you read. And in the time data, we separated into 3 categories of 1 to 3 seconds, 4 to 6 seconds, and 7 to 10 seconds. And then selecting one of them with a specified data will allow you to see all the data that has been collected in that time frame. And if you do it without a sensor info selected, it will show you all the readings from that time frame as shown here. And on the right in the console, we printed out all the JSON data that will be sent to our JavaScript just in case to see. And yeah, that is our web page.
Everything, yeah. We had a great time doing it, and we learned a lot. So another obstacle down. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.